Hi, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to my first video in my YouTube channel. This is Vinod and my channel name is Vino Videos. And it is really happy for me to start a YouTube channel in this special and auspicious day. The main motive of this channel is not for the entertaining purpose. It is fully focused for the students who needs to progress their ability in most trending artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. See, if you are a student, you can use this platform and try to do the projects by your own. Surely that will boost your confidence and that makes you perfect. I hope you will enjoy this session. Kindly be support and subscribe. Thank you. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the project called face detection and recognition. First, you must know what is meant by face detection. And it means that it is going to detect the face of the person in an image or video. And what is face recognition in the sense it is going to recognize the person image and going to display the name of the person. For example, if you see any group picture in Facebook and if you move your cursor to the face of the person, it will show the name of that particular person. So this is the good example for your face detection and recognition. See, this project is very simple to implement. The requirement to implement this project is laptop with webcam and good internet connectivity. Now we discuss how we are going to implement this project. In order to implement this project, you need to install OpenCV and Python. See, don't confuse about the term OpenCV. It is nothing but a open source computer vision library which already contain pre-trained datasets. The thing you need to do is just install OpenCV in command prompt by using a command called pip install opencv-python. See, if you are facing any issues while installing this OpenCV, kindly let me know. I will help you how to resolve that. Before going to this project, first I will explain what are the folders we are going to discuss in this project. Then only you get a clear idea about this project. And this is our project folder, and this project folder contains a data set which contains a detected image, and this is a Python program file which is used to detect the face of the person. This is Python file which is used to recognize the face of the person, and at last is Har Cascade frontal face algorithm. So we will discuss briefly what it is. First, I'm going to explain what is meant by dataset. Here, this dataset is nothing but it contains our detected images, and using this dataset, we are going to recognize the person. And the next one is Har Cascade frontal face algorithm. So it is an object detection algorithm which is used to identify the faces in an image or real-time video. See, you need not worry about this Har Cascade frontal face algorithm because it is readily available like a ready-made product. We are not going to do any modification in this file. You just download from the internet and paste in your project directly. See, we are going to use this frontal face algorithm in the face detection Python program. So once again I repeat the process. This is our project folder. This project folder consists of a data set which contains a detected image, and this is a Python program for face detection. This is a Python program for face recognition, and at last it is a Har Cascade frontal face default algorithm. So this is an XML file. So we are going to use this XML file in the face detection program. Now we are going to discuss about the implementation of face detection. So this is our project folder. In that I need to open this face detection part. So just right click it and open with ideally 3.7. See why here it shows 3.7 in the sense because I downloaded the version of Python 3.7, so that's why it shows like 3.7. So for you people, you can download any latest version. It is fully depends on your wish, but only better advice is try to download the version that is based on your laptop configuration, so that will be safe and better. So this is our project for Python, that is a face detection. See, for me I directly opened in my project directory because I already saved the program and directly opened. For you people, you need to go to Python and open a new file and type the program and save it and run it. Now we are going to discuss about the overview of face detection Python program. So here first we need to import CV2. So CV2 is nothing but it is a computer vision, we already discussed. Next I need to initialize OS. Here the OS is nothing but it is going to assess the path. So next I need to give or initialize one name, so that is har file. So by using this har file I need to load the face detection algorithm, so that is a har cascade frontal face algorithm. So we already stored in our project directory. So we already discussed, right? It is like a ready-made project. We just directly download from the internet and we need to store in our project directly. So without this har cascade frontal face algorithm we cannot able to detect and recognize the face. And the next one, we need to create a data set. Here the data set is nothing but we, as we already discussed, it contains our detected images. So that in that folder it contains our detected images. And what is subdata in the sense, it is nothing but it is inside the data set. It is a folder which contains images inside the dataset folder. So for example, so I give the name as Vinod. So here this Vinod represents a folder which contains a lot of images of Vinod in the folder of dataset. I hope you can able to get my point. Okay, so then it is a path. So by using a OS we created a path. Then I need to initialize the webcam. So by using the code webcam is equal to cv2.video capture, and next I need to initialize the count. Here the count I gave is 31. So you may ask the question why you particularly gave 31 in the sense. So it is a user defined, you can give 31 or 41, or at least you need more accuracy, means you need to increase the count to 81 or 61. So just it takes some amount of time when compared to this 31. So here this 31 represents 31 times it is going to capture my image. So 31 or 30 times it is going to capture my image and going to store the data in the folder of subdata, that is Vinod. Okay, so it is print, again it is going to print the numbers of snaps taken 1 2 3 4 like that up to 30 it is going to print. Then it is going to convert the color images into gray image. So by using this gray image it is going to detect the image. Why here it converted gray in the sense because it works for only gray color. Then I need to initialize the rectangular. So here the thus a rectangle represents, in thumbnail itself we discussed, we saw that, right? So there is a rectangle in near my face, so that is the rectangle part. So for that we need to declare the width and height. Then at last we need to create a key in order to release all those webcams. If you press any key it will destroy all the windows. Now I'm going to show the output of this face detection. So for that I need to open the project folder. So in that first I need to open the dataset folder. So in this dataset folder, so there is nothing, right? So this folder is empty. Okay, so now go back and see the magic. Again I'm going to open this face detection program. So again right click, open with ideally 3.7. So this was the program we discussed earlier, right? So again I save this program, so Control S. Again I'm going to run this program. So go to run option or press F5. So after I click run, it is going to capture my image and going to store that image in the dataset. Okay, let me check. Sorry, okay, it is cancelled. You need to press run mode. So it captured up to 30 images. So as we already discussed in that program, so it captured up to 30 images. Okay, let me check whether my image is present in this dataset or not. So go back again, check. Okay, so in previous it is nothing contains in that folder, right? So now it is contain a folder name called Vinod, and in that folder it contains my 30 images of my face. Okay, so by using this image it is going to recognize my face. I hope it is clear. Okay, fine. So for further clarification, again I am going to add another person image. Again go to face detection, open with ideally 3.7. Okay, I'm going to capture another person image. So I just change the sub data. Okay, Elon Musk. I'm going to capture his image. Again, I'm going to create a sub data. Again, I need to change in that program. Just save it. Again, I'm going to run the program. Now I'm going to capture Elon Musk face. So just see. Okay, good. So again it captured, right? So up to 30. Okay, now we check the data set. Again go back, go to data set. So first it contains only Vinod, and now it contains Elon Musk. Just go through this faces. Okay, good. It captured up to 30 images of Elon Musk, right? So now by using this data set, we are going to recognize the face of the person. So in the next part, we are going to see the output of the face recognition. Now I'm going to show the output of face recognition. So again, you need to right click and open with ideally 3.7. So this is our program for face recognition. So again here we need to import CV2, NumPy and OS. So in previous we import only CV2 and OS, but in face recognition we also need to import a NumPy. Again Haar cascade front of face algorithm, we need to load that. Again the data set. Again in that we need to training the data sets. So already we having some data set, right? So we are going to train the data set, and we are going to compare the data set, and again we are going to train by using the model.train. Then we need to initialize the video capture. So that is we need to initialize that webcam. Again we need to convert the color into gray code. Then we need to predict, we need to initialize that size of the rectangle, that is height and width. And at last we need to initialize the key in order to destroy all windows, that is in order to release the webcam. So again the same thing, again I'm going to run this program. So again click run module, that is press F5. Again I'm going to, it is a take a training. Again I'm going to recognize whose faces. Okay, see that. Okay, it captured. So I show Elan. So it show the output of Elan, right? We successfully recognize the output, right? See, if instead of LN face, if I show my face in the webcam, means again it is going to display my name as Vinod, because my name Vinod is already saved in the dataset, right? So this is what I about face detection and recognition. So I hope everyone enjoy this session, and see if anyone want to implement this project, kindly let me know through comment box. I will ready to share all the files which is necessary to implement this project. And one more thing, since it is my first video, and if you feel any deviation in this video, kindly forgive me, and I'll make sure that it won't occur in the next video. And once again, thank you so much for your patient listening. I kindly support and subscribe, and if possible, press the notification button. We will see in the next video. Until it's bye from Vinod.